Okay, I'm calling on the CIA to make gold glass Vogel crystals or Vogel crystals out of white gold powder, openly rearranged monatomic element series gold, by using a gold bar hanging suspended from the apex into the king's chamber of a wooden 2x4 equilateral pyramid frame. That's how you're gonna make the white gold powder. You're gonna mold it into the form of a crystal with heat. I invented the Vogel Crystals technology for Marcel J. Vogel. So I'm inviting CIA to gather further intelligence with Vogel gold glass crystals. Urim and Thummim, basically.
This is a region of gas and dust that's churning up new baby stars. And now we've learned with Hubble not only stars.
Thank you.